Hi, let's discuss farming as a real estate marketing strategy.
Farm area or target market. Real estate brokers and sales associates often specialize in a geographical area or property type. This method of target marketing is often called farming. It is the licensee's job to stay abreast of the market dynamics and provide the best service for the client. Doing so can be complicated if the licensee works a large geographic area. Different areas may bring differences in aspects of the sale, such as understanding propensity for property to have standing water during heavy rain conditions, or the average increase in sale price brought by being directly located on a golf course versus across the street from the golf course. Or the licensee may find it challenging to navigate the unique sales aspects of an estate when an owner has passed away, along with also managing the specifics of selling properties that are going into foreclosure. As such, the licensee may choose to specialize in a certain geographic area or neighborhood or in a demographic group. By specializing in the area, the licensee becomes familiar with the features of the properties commonly sold, expected sales prices for available property, and the best marketing strategies to reach buyers drawn to the area. The licensee will spend time marketing to areas connecting with potential buyers and sellers on a regular basis to create future real estate transactions. I wanted to pause here. You're about to learn the legal definitions of different types of real estate property. This will include the definition of agricultural real estate. Be careful not to confuse that with the definition of farming. In this course, farming is specific to the marketing strategy of specializing that was just reviewed in the course. Now, it is true that the goal of this course is for you to get licensed. Honestly, this means a lot of rules and laws for you to memorize. I also realize, though, that you're anxious to get to the nuts and bolts of building a real estate business. So, let me share a bit more about farming as a marketing strategy. Most seasoned agents will have one or two farm areas that they market to on a continual basis. By continuing to feed marketing material or making face-to-face touches or phone contacts with the individuals in these areas, top-of-mind awareness is created. The goal is for the individuals within the target group to think of you first whenever they have a need for a real estate agent. Here is an example of a farming schedule. Week 1, door hang and introduction brochure. You'd skip week 2, and then in week 3 you would mail them a postcard highlighting your brokerage expertise. Then in week 7, you would mail a neighborhood sales update, letting them know what's selling in the neighborhood. In the 13th week, you could door hang again, leaving them a coupon for a free CMA, which you will learn about later. Week 21, mail a postcard again, but this time about the benefits of using a buyer's agent. And then in week 34, drop by to door hang again, a personal newsletter. And by the way, when you're door hanging, you're also taking time to knock on their door, and hopefully you'll have an opportunity to actually meet them. As you can see from the example, this type of schedule usually starts with touches that are close in time and then start to space out, often ending with touches once a quarter or twice a year. You will be in control of your own schedule. You may end up with a marketing campaign that includes a tighter contact schedule than the one that I included here as an example. Or yours may end up with less touches, or maybe you never door knock at all, or maybe you only door knock. It is your campaign, so you'll be in charge to choose what works for you. And also do know that this type of campaign marketing system is actually optional as a real estate agent. As an agent, you're going to find out what systems work for you to build your own business.